breathe in, move, listen. Invite Jesus to your space.
Hello and welcome. This class is going to be about heart opening, flexibility, trying to work to the full will. We worked in this in our classes this week and realized how important those backbends are for our health and wellness. Not only our eyesight, but elongates and stretches the vagus nerve, that gut-brain connection, the adrenal glands, everything being cleansed, lots of health and vitality, younger, healthy living, and anti-aging. So take this time, it's 15 minutes, very quick practice. We'll move through some asanas that will help us work into the full will. And if the full will is not in your practice today, I'll show you some options that you could work into to build up to that. So we'll begin in child's pose first, feet together, knees together, and just start to round yourself over top of your legs. Bring the hands to the sides of the body, forehead towards the earth, and just start to breathe here gently. Maybe you rock a little bit to the right or the left and establish your intention here. Invite Christ to your space, His presence as if He's already here. Check in with your body and your breath as it connects to your heavenly home all the way on this earth. And how are you doing within your mind? What do you need to bring in a heartfelt prayer to offer to Him? To let go of the overthinking mind or emotional stress that may be flaring up physically in the body. Take another deep breath in and maybe repeat that intention 3 times quietly in the mind. When you're ready, we'll slowly bring the arms forward, reaching forward to the front of the mat, feeling the stretch of the shoulders. They peel out away from the ears. Inhale. And then we'll begin to slowly start to walk the fingers towards the front of the mat, taking our time here. Just allow ourselves to enjoy the journey here. As we start to move into slow motion, we'll start to feel the different parts of our back. So as you begin to bring your weight forward, your hips will start to rise up. And then you'll walk yourself up till your hips are directly above the knees, which is a great way to begin as we move into puppy posture, Anahata, heart melt. The elbows can stay grounded if you'd like, forehead towards the earth. And just allow yourself to release deep into this heart opener. Sensation through the upper back and the heart. And allow yourself to feel closer towards the earth. If you start to lift your head up, maybe chin towards the earth, you'll feel a little bit more intensity here. So if that's too much, just keep your forehead down towards the earth. Take 3 more deep breaths to open up the shoulder girdle, the heart space. We spend so much time over computers, desks, and so taking this time every day to really focus on opening the heart and the back brings great health benefits to our entire whole body health. One more breath here. And then exhale, slowly begin to continue that transition of body weight forward onto the elbows. We'll come forward, forward, forward until the hips lower towards the earth. Your hips are connected with the floor. Sphinx pose. Drop the shoulders away from the ears and elongate through the neck and the spine. Look upward, feel this grounding of the elbows, the palms to the hands, starfish fingers. And as you press into the elbows, you open through your heart, open through the chest. I invite you to close your eyes to keep the awareness internal, follow your breath, and exhale out. One more inhale. Exhale. As you start to release down, we'll come into an opening of our shoulders. I want you to take your right arm. You can have it straight here or bend it at a 45-degree ankle. From here, we'll bend our opposite knee, ground that left hand, fingertips to the floor, and start to push into the left hand, press the hips down, and open into that right hip. See if those left toes can touch the earth. If not, rest them on a block. And then the right ear will lower towards the earth. And then we'll hold here. You'll start to really feel this in the pectoral muscles, in the chest, the shoulders, your arm. And if you don't feel a stretch, your elbow might be a little too low. So just play with it. Maybe the fingers go up high, forward. Just feel what feels good in your feeling body. Because I can't feel what you're feeling, so follow your breath. Do the adjustment based on how you feel inside of your body. Good. Close your eyes. We'll take a couple more deep breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And then exhale, we'll come back to center. We turn back and we'll swap to the other side. So left arm now is either coming out into a straight arm or bends to 45. There's more intensity the more you bend your elbow. So listen to your body show up for you. Take that right hand into the palm. Right leg will come up. Move right into the side. Lower that left ear towards the earth. And hold here. Open that chest and breathe. Inhale. And exhale. Just find your breath and do that body scan to find that opening in the pectoral muscle in that left shoulder. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Opening through your heart, your chest. Letting it go. Good. Slowly from here, we'll start to come back down, transition back to our center, and bring both arms to the sides of the body. From here, push into the palms of the hands, elbows back, lift the chest, come even higher up into a full upward facing dog. Feel the opening as you lift the knees up off the mat, and then exhale, lift up into downward facing dog. Your shoulders should feel really good now, a little more open. So let's work on the legs. Knees, walk it out. Hips, wag your tail feather. Lengthen in your downward facing dog. Blossom those hips up high to the sky. Deep breath in. And exhale out. From here, right leg will lift high as we inhale. And then knee to chest. We'll hold here. Inhale, press away to three-legged dog. Activating some heat, opening through the hip flexor, preparing for that strength of the full wheel. Good. Inhale. Exhale, press and extend. Bend your knee, open, stack hip over hip. Breathe deep. Find that hip flexor. Beautiful. Slowly come forward. Right foot between the two hands. Heel and toe. Drop the left knee down. We'll open up into a cactus arm low lunge. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. Open up, really open through your chest that you just stretched. Inhale. And as you exhale, lift the back knee and extend through the elbows. Open, open. Then drop the arms. High plank. Chaturanga, knees, chest, chin, or create heat in the body to get ready for that full wheel. Good. Exhale, empty. Inhale, left leg will go high to the sky. Knee to chest. Inhale, reach. Exhale. Inhale. One more time for 4. Good. Reach it up. Stack left hip over right this time. Find that hip flexor. Knee to chest. Step through between the 2 hands. Heel then toe. Ground the knee. Inhale, lift. Cactus arms. Open. Bring those hips forward. So we feel that lengthening sensation of the hip flexor. So important to prepare for the full wheel. Hold, breathe. Exhale, lift, open, elbow. Open, sink a little deeper. Then release down, step back to plank. Flow it out, rest it out, add an extra push-up if you'd like. Knees, chest, chin, upward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale here. Exhale, audibly let it go. Inhale. Bring yourself into high plank one more time. Lower into a slow chaturanga all the way down, or drop the knees for modification. Drop the belly towards the earth. Bow pose is where we're traveling. You can do one leg at a time or full bow twice. So you're going to grab that left ankle first. Pull it into the buttock. Press the pelvis towards the earth and feel that stretch to the quadricep. Or if you want to do both feet at the same time, lift your heart, lift your chest, open up into a bow. And gently release. Good. Take a moment to rest. If you're doing one leg, you would just reach one opposite arm forward, lift up here. 2 breaths. Open, open, open. Breathe. And rest. We'll do it one more time. If you did one leg, you're going to do the other side. So if you're doing the single, grab your leg, pull in first, stretch the quadricep, or double, grab both, press the pelvis in, and then as you exhale, lift up, lift up. Try to be careful not to draw the knees out, pull them in as close together as you can. Look up to the sky. Open, open, and release. Beautiful. Take an inhale and exhale. Press your way up to your knees. Little counter pose, child's pose. Round out through the spine. Good. When you're ready, come on up. Tuck the toes, hips lift high. Bend your knees generously. Step, walk, or hop to the top of your mat, however you're traveling. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, seat back. Find that control as we roll all the way down, vertebra by vertebra, towards the earth. Once you make it down, we'll rest the head and we'll prepare for full wheel. So bridge we can do all together right now. Open your feet hip width apart, tuck your tailbone, tickle the back of your heels for space. Come into bridge. Interlace the fingers underneath you. This will be your first version. If this is where you want to go today, come in and out to open and lengthen the spine. Try to see those hip bones higher than the navel center. Squeeze the glutes. A great practice here is to give yourself a few breaths up in wheel, then come down and rest. Relax for a breath, and then do it 2 or 3 more times. And if you're not need to take a rest during this, you could extend a pencil stretch and then come right back in. Feet grounded. Lift the hips, hands back, push into the hands first, rest slightly on the crown, and then press, start to open, start to lift. Adjust the hands, full will, hold here, press like someone's pulling you from your hips up to the sky above. Pull, 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 pull. And then to come out safely, we'll tuck the chin to the chest, rotate out nice and slow, come on the back of the head, the neck, and lower down. Pull those knees into the chest, a quick little counter pose, well done. Rock side to side. If you didn't get up to the full wheel, don't worry about it. It's not about mastering the pose, it's just helping your body open up every day. You'll find more space in the chest, in the back, in the heart. And even the bridge pose is helping re-cleanse all those adrenals. And then come over to one side whenever you're ready, or roll up like a ball. Press out into the front. We'll take a nice little breath here. I'm going to post in the comment or in the description below all of the benefits of anatomy that backbends do for our bodies, so that you'll have the encouragement and desire to visit these asanas daily, even if it's just one heart opener a day. Open your heart to healthier living ahead. Thank you for joining me in Christ-centered yoga today. I send you love and light. Namaste.
If you enjoyed this practice, give it a thumbs up, subscribe below for more Christ-centered yoga videos your way. Have a beautiful day. We'll see you soon.